news to the people of Mombasa. Today I'm in the area of Bombolulu, just close to Bella Plaza. That's the Bella Plaza, and this is the Mombasa Malindi Road, which is being constructed right now. It is in progress, and just close to the Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan's secondary school. There is something that is being constructed here. This is it. There's a mall that is being constructed around this place, which is this one here. And I was passing here every time and again, and I've been seeing this structure for a while right now. So I decided to ask one of the residents around this area of Bombolulu, and he told me that this is a mall that is coming up in this area of Bombolulu, and it is a very game changer for the people of Bombolulu, because most of them always go to Naivas on the other side of City Mall, Naivas Center on the other side, very far away from Bombolulu. But right now, when this mall is being constructed and it is done, I think there will be so many shopping centers around here, and those shopping centers will be benefiting the people of Bombolulu. Yeah, so this is the Mombasa Malindi Road. When you're going to that side, you are going to Bombolulu Sports and Workshop, and when you're going to this side, you're going to the City Mall area, heading to Mtwapa. And this road here, which is the Mombasa Malindi Road, has bring so much changes around this area along this road, because as you know that when there's a new road which is being constructed, many things happen. People tend to build some businesses around it and close to the road, so that they can able to benefit from the people who are driving and the motorists around the road. So this is the road which is being constructed around here, and that's the mall. Yeah, you can see how it is. It will be a very big mall, by the way. It is not a joke. From the outside you can just see it from it is just a simple mall, but when it is done, this mall will be a very big mall. That's my perspective of things, because sometimes this stuff always happen here, and we just see the structure and you judge it from outside, but when you enter in, things are different from the ground. Yeah, so this is the mall, and I just wanted to show you and wanted to inform you about what is happening here, because most of the people who are following me on my YouTube channel, they want to know the updates of Mombasa. Most of the people are outside, others are abroad, so they want to know what is happening back at home. And this is the update of things here back at home, especially here in Mombasa, because I live in Mombasa. So I've decided to give you some updates and things that are happening in terms of development, neighborhoods, estates. So if you're interested, for those people who don't know me, if you're interested about estate tours, developments in Mombasa, advertising, adventure, I'm your guy. Yeah, so this is what is happening here around this area of Bombolulu, and you can see the road is nice. Motorists are using it very nice. The bad thing about the road is not one side it is not on use, because they have not finished yet, and this side also it is not marked, so you can see cars are just driving anyhow. And when you're going to the other side of the road is where you can get the flyover. I'll be going there so that I can able to give you the update of that flyover, because I've seen so much changes on that flyover. But what I wanted to show you guys is this mall here. It's coming up very well. You can see construction here is going on very, very well, though it is slow, but I think they have a timeline for which they'll be constructing this amazing mall, so that things can change in this neighborhood. And comment on the comment section, what do you think? What kind of shopping center will you get in this mall? For me, the number one shopping center that I know that it will be not shopping, the number one supermarket that I will get in this mall here, it is Naivas supermarket, because those people, guys, they are not slaking, they are not being left behind. Every mall, every space that is coming soon, they are in. So I know that these people have already the Naivas people have already taken a space in this mall, so that they can able to know they have taken a space so that people can tend to come here and buy from their stuff. We have Naivas on the other side of City Mall, Naivas Center. We have Naivas on the other side of Bombolulu, and I think we'll be having a Naivas supermarket in this mall. Yeah, so that's my thinking. So comment on the comment section, what do you think, which kind of shopping supermarket will you get here? Will it be Quick Mart or Naivas or any other supermarket? Comment on the comment section and tell me, and what you think about which supermarket will you get in this mall when it is done. Yeah, so this is the area of Bombolulu, showing you guys this mall which is coming up in this area of Bombolulu. So this is the side where the mall is being constructed. Yeah, and I don't know why this side has not been completed yet, because it has been long since this side of the road has been touched. Yeah, so that's the mall, guys. Yeah, so I think this mall will be a very big changer for the people of Bombolulu, because it will bring so much businesses around here, because with this mall other businesses will be around this road here, and things will change around here. So all I wish is this road maybe they may install what do we call the street lights, yeah, so that this road can be bright, because most of the time during the night time this road is always very dark. Yeah, but when they install the traffic lights, I think things will be better here. Yeah, so that's the mall, guys. That's the amazing mall around this area of Bombolulu, just close to Bella Plaza, Mombasa. Wow, look at that, guys. This is amazing. This will be a very amazing mall, super amazing. Yeah, look at that, guys, and it's huge. It's very big, so can't wait in a few years to come. I think this mall will be done and things will be different. These people living around this estate over here, they'll be very happy about this, because they'll be just crossing the road to this side and cross the road to this side and buy whatever they want in this mall. Yeah, so this is an amazing infrastructure, and the person who had an idea of buying this land here and constructing a mall here, that guy was a genius. Yeah, because all the people from the area of Bombolulu will be coming in this mall over here, and I think City Mall and Naivas Center will lose business. Yeah, so because when they place some banks over here, supermarkets over here, kids zone over here, every kind of offices over here, why are people from Bombolulu going to City Mall or Naivas Center? Just thinking. I think the people from Nyali are the one who will be going there. Yeah, so yeah, that's the mall, guys. That's the amazing mall around this area of Bombolulu. So what do you think about it? What do you think? Is it a very good infrastructure? Do you think that the people who had an idea of constructing this mall here had a good idea? Tell me on the comment section so that I can able to know what do you think about this mall. But yeah, so that's the Mombasa Malindi Road. Wow, very, very nice. That's one of the gates entering the mall. So construction is still going on here very well. Yeah, and that's Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Secondary School. Yeah, so the secondary school is here and the mall is just over here. Yeah, that's amazing. That's very, very nice. Okay, wow. So that's Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed. Wow. So as I was saying, comment on the comment section, what do you think, which kind of supermarket will be in this mall? Comment on the comment section so that I can be able to know you are guessing if it is right or wrong. And also I haven't heard the name of this mall. It is not yet, they have not yet given it a name. It is just a structure. It is just building that is being constructed. So they haven't given it a name yet, so that they can able to name the name of the mall. So let's see in a few months or in a year, something like that, so that we can able to know the name of the mall. Yeah, but that's it. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Now you have an update about what is happening in this area of Bombolulu Mombasa, just close to Bella Plaza and Sheikh Khalifa. There's a mall that is being constructed around here. So in few years, for those people who are abroad or for those people who are out of the country, know that when you come in the next few years or 1 year, you will get a new mall around the area of Bombolulu. So just keep that in mind and know that I'll be giving you an update of what is happening in this road every time and again. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Peace.